Just a quick one here. Today, the fucking moron that is Draftscience obviously made a video, talked loads of gibberish. We won't bother with that. But the interesting part was he showed, in the background, he was showing two experiments where there was a one mass and a two mass car launch with a fan, and a one mass and a four mass launch with a fan. He played them throughout his entire video, seemed to think it was proof for his nonsense. I've taken a crop of those, slowed them down a bit, so we can, because obviously with the fan, they're starting from rest, they're accelerating. Obviously, with it being a fan, it's power over time, which would be energy. So, and obviously as it goes faster, there's less power there. The quicker it accelerates, there's less power there. So I've taken a crop over a short distance, so we can time it, because that would be the velocity, distance over time, so we can check the velocity. So given roughly the same energy input, we can see what the velocities are if we measure the time taken to travel the distance, basically. The crops aren't brilliant, because obviously it wasn't very good on his video. I can't actually find them. I think he said they were on some website. I've checked the guy's channel, I can't find them on there. We'll move to that, I'll show them. So what he thinks is proof for him is quite funny, in the fact that he's had these playing in the background for the whole time, and they completely prove kinetic energy. So while he's there saying, you know, this proves my case, he's actually sat there through a whole video proving himself wrong, which is quite ironic, really. But there we go. That is the ignorance that is Draftscience. This is the one and the two mass cart. I'm just measuring until basically they're out of shot, so just the time it takes for them to leave the shot. Through the software, for the one mass, I got 6 seconds. And for the two mass, I got 8.3 seconds. Obviously, I've slowed it down a bit. So yes, if we work out the ratio there, we have a ratio of 1.383 recurring, which is very close to the kinetic energy prediction of 1.414 or root 2. So there we go. So this is the one mass and the four mass. Kinetic energy will predict with the same energy input, we're going to roughly get twice the velocity. On the software, for the one mass, I got 3.1 seconds, and for the four mass, 6.3, I think. But over this one, I've just counted roughly. It's pretty plainly obvious that it's going roughly twice the velocity, because we would have to quarter the mass with the same energy input to get twice the velocity, as we would on a lever, as we would using a spring, and so on and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there we go. Well done, dipshit, yet again. You just show your complete lack of understanding, your ignorance, your laziness in not analysing anything, and there you were playing them, thinking somehow it proves you right. So, well done, moron.